Hello students, in this video we will discuss the fundamentals of image processing. This is an important area in computer science and artificial intelligence nowadays, right? So the image processing helps computers with analyzing and enhancing and interpreting the images to extract some meaningful information, right? So in a widely used areas such as medical imaging and satellite imaging, robotics areas, and automating systems, and facial recognition. These are all the areas which is mainly used. Right? By the end of this video, we will understand the basic concepts and components and operations involved in the digital image processing. The first thing is, what is image processing? First thing is, the image processing is a method for performing operations, right? In where it is happening in an image using computer algorithms. And here are two main types of image processing are there. The first thing is analog image processing, and the second one is digital image processing. Then analog image processing involves processing mainly using like physical or electronic methods, right? Such as television signals. We can see the examples signals. And the digital image processing is converting from the analog. The signals will be converting from the analog to digital format, right? Will be using in computer automated visual tracks, visual task, whatever it is given. The next topic is digital image representations, how the values are represented, the image values are represented. The digital image is composed of many tiny units, right? It is called pixels, many pixels. Each pixel consists of small portions, a small dot, dot symbol we will tell us the pixel, right? Like small portions of the image, and it contains information about the brightness. Each pixel considering as the considering to change or indicating to change the brightness or colors. Right? The pixels are arranged in the form of rows as well as columns. Forming a grid structure that is called as the image matrix. So you see that image matrix. For example, we can say the matrix 1024 by 1024 image contains more than 1 million pixels, because in each pixel usually ranges from 0 to 255. The value of each pixel represents the intensity level also. That means the 0 represents black and 255 represents white. The values in between different represent the different shades of gray. So the color images indicates RGB color model, where each pixel consists of three various components like RGB. R indicates red, G indicates green, and B indicates blue. By combining these three colors, many different colors can be created. Then the steps in digital image processing. The steps are there. Importantly, we can say six various steps. The first one is image acquisition. Image acquisition is nothing but we capture the image through the devices as digital cameras, as scanners, as sensors, whatever. Capturing the image is image acquisition. And the second one is image enhancement. To improving the appearance, the visual appearance, we can improve by the help of removing the noise, adjusting it, adjusting colors, like increase the brightness or contrast or the darkness. So that we can say is the enhancement. Then the third one is image restoration. Restoration means correcting the already some sort of images will be get damaged, that we can get as a degradations. So we will capture the image and we will make that as original image, damaged image into original image. That is the restoration. The image segmentation. We'll be dividing the image into various sections like a small particles for identifying. It will be useful for to recognize or detect the images, for finding the feature extraction. So after segmenting, this next stage is feature extraction. Feature extraction for it will be each after segmenting the data, the image particles will be finding exactly as edge wise or shape wise or texture wise or pattern wise for recognizing. So finally, Identifying the particular objects as this object is belongs to that, like we can recognize the part exactly. So by using some technical algorithms, this is the basic stages of image processing. Then common image processing operations are there, like these stages are using for the previous sessions. These all stages, these steps are given already, like image acquisition, image enhancement, restoration, image segmentation, extraction, and recognition. By using, while getting the enhancement, by getting the visual appearance will be a clear accuracy. These we need to follow these filtrations also. The edge detection. If we find this edge properly by using this edge detection, then only we can get that word, that feature extract. We can find the recognition also correctly, right? So filtering, there are many types of filterings are there, like low pass filter, high pass, frequency, high frequency, low frequency, and more methods are there. By using these filters, we can remove the unwanted parts, the particles. Many noise also have no various types of noise. So we can remove by using these filters. Edge detection. I find the boundary by using what you can say the some images maybe have low pass, low frequency as well as high frequency, right? If you want to find the edges exactly, you can we, as we know, like high frequency, we have to find the high frequency value, right? High frequency will be stored strong pixel values, right? So these techniques detects the boundaries of objects within an images. Then histogram processing. Histogram will be useful to distribution of the pixel density of an image. That will be improve the contrast. Right? Then image compression. Reducing the image size, so it is requires less storage and bandwidth. While we transfer the images, if it is if the size is very high, we can compress it. Then morphological operations also we have some like what average, minimum, maximum, such kind of operations we can use to improve the quality of the images, right? And some applications wherever we can apply this image processing techniques. So these are the areas like in medical imaging and satellite imaging, security systems, autonomous vehicles, as well as that digital photography. These are the areas we can apply this image processing techniques. Then here is some of the session. Like image processing is a technique of manipulating digital images to improve the quality or extract useful information. Right? It involves various steps like image acquisition, enhancement, segmentation, and recognitions. Right? Understanding the basic fundamentals is important to advance fields such as computer vision and machine learning or deep learning too. Then basically in an artificial intelligence is very useful. Right? So thank you for watching.